Hey there guys, Rydeball here from the Beaten Track. Thanks so much for joining us today. I've been going through the archives recently, reminiscing a little and looking back on some earlier footage that I shot. And what we're looking at today is back in 2017, I packed up the family and we did a trip around Australia. And I've got loads of different little videos of that trip, which I'll probably put together over coming months and share some of that with you. But today's video is when we did the trip across the Tasman on the Spirit of Tasmania. So it's just a bit of a glimpse into what it's like traveling across on that boat. We opted to take the cabin on the ship, so you can opt to have the cabin or just sleep in the lounges out in the lounge area if you wanted to. But definitely with little kids, having the cabin is great. But yeah, to give you an insight into what that's like, activities for the kids and just getting onto the boat with your car and caravan and things like that. So anyway, I hope it gives you a little bit of an insight, and keep an eye out because we will be sharing more of these videos with you. So anyway, watch the video. If you've got any questions about our trip or this trip across the Tasman, shoot us a comment below, and happy to answer them for you. Anyway, enjoy, and I hope you get something out of it. Cheers. Oh, and before we get into it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. If you can subscribe, that would be very greatly appreciated. Thanks so much.